is a look at this move, guys. Look at this move. Jesus, that was a brilliant move. Well, we're trading at 89, where the structure point is 88.04. But believe it or not, we do have a sell signal over there. It's not really a powerful sell signal, but it's the beginning of a sell signal. At 89.07, it's the beginning of a sell signal. But I wouldn't be actually jumping up and down and taking that trade, because you can see that for the last week or so, the market has traded on both sides of nothing. So it was green and it turned red, and it was red and it turned green. So it was trading on both sides of nothing. So this could be the third day of trading on both sides of nothing, and this, while we're talking, is just the time when this market is positive, and it might turn around and be a negative again, because this is exactly what happened the previous two trading days. It traded on either side of positive and negative. So today, if it's the third day doing the same thing, well, I know that, or we know now, that it's doing this, trading on both sides of doing nowhere for the last 2 days. So there is no reason for us to jeopardize our capital in trading that. So we need to take a trade when it clears out, when it gives us a well-defined or a well-identified entry point, and this we can see easily from the intraday chart. And you can see here, look at this. This is the both sides of nothing. This is how it has been trading all of the last 3 days. You can see that just between this line, so between 89.30 and between 88.60 is basically the essence of nothingness. It's an absolute waste of time for us to get involved with it. So if that's the case, we're going to buy above here, and we're going to sell below here. Alright, and we're going to use the other range as our stop. So that's going to be an easy one. So the Aussie yen, this is the 89. Our buying point is going to be the 89.30, I think, 35, I'm not sure, and my stop is going to be 89.23. I'm using this other range, and the short, let me get the numbers, so that's fine. The short is 88.60, and my stop is 88, make it 75, just a little bit above here. My structural point is short is the 88.04, and my structure long is still as it. Now this has become the structure short now, 04. And let's see what's my structure long on the daily. I'm trying to find the structure on the daily. I'm trying to get a cleaner structure. the 91.20. So the next structure, the long structure, is 91.20. Structure long point is 91.20. Okay, so this is the Aussie yen. We're going to buy above 89.35, and if we do, it's flickering, guys, because the market is live. This is the radar screen scanning, so because it's inside the range, so we're buying it above 89.35, and if we do, the next structure point is the 91.20, so we have about 20 pips, 100 pips, 200 pips to the next structure point, and my stop is going to be the 89.23, so I'm using a very tight stop on that trade. My short point is 88.60, and my structure short is the 88.04, so I got 50 pips below the structure. So if I breaks the short, it should go pretty fast to the structure point, and my structural short in this case is the 88, and my stop, I'm sorry, is the 88.75, so I'm risking about 15 pips on that trade. Okay, that is the Aussie yen. Anybody has any